Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and I'm going to be unboxing a Reborn today. And I got this off of Amazon, and I heard people say Amazon's not good, but I wanted to try it out. I did order separate stuff as pacifiers, which are pretty nice. They're very cool. I ordered a bottle for the baby. It's very nice. And I was checking it out a little bit. I also ordered these shoes in size 1s, which were too big, but you know. And I did order some clothes for the baby. And here's me just showing outfits. Now we are going to get ready to open the actual baby. It's from a brand called Mayo. I can't really pronounce it, but here it is. Oh my god, guys. And here's the stuff that it came inside. A pacifier, some animal, and a hair clip that I will not be using for the baby because I am changing the gender. And oh yeah, it also did come with a bottle. Very nice. See, the shoe is a little big on him, but it does still fit him when I put socks on him, so it's pretty cool. I got him dressed in a completely different outfit because I wanted to see what he would the stuff would fit on him, basically. This outfit was a bit big because it was 0 to 6 months, so I was not surprised that it was big on him, but the shorts do fit on him pretty nice. This is just a shirt that's pretty big, and usually I just tuck it into his pants and it fits. Small intervene. He is so cute. I love his hair. I wanted a boy with long hair because he's so cute. His little hair. His little curls. Yeah. Boys with long hair, like boy dolls. I don't see a lot of boy dolls with long hair, so it's okay. Anyways, what's going on? There's not a lot of boy dolls. Here I am putting on a completely different outfit because I did not want that on him. And this one is pretty nice. It's just a gray onesie.
And that's it, really.
Anyways, here he is. He's pretty nice, pretty cool, and I will be making videos on him, like, more in depth. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Hope you had a good time watching. Goodbye.